welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk a little bit through LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a professional social media networking site. So this is my profile. So you've got a number of impressions there for my posts, profile views and search appearances. So a little trick: if you want to increase your visibility, turn on creator mode. LinkedIn is a starved content platform, so they're encouraging people to create more content and post more often. So if you turn creator mode on, you will get more views to your profile. So it's a win-win. And also it changes from your default from connect to follow. And it also allows you to do some other things such as LinkedIn Live, create newsletters. And it's just a great all-round accessory to your LinkedIn. So as you can see, here's a few of my posts. One thing to note, so it's just going to drill down into my posts here. If we go into my activity, my posts, so here we go. We've got 1,511 impressions. This was a post today. It was about 7 hours ago. So because I've got a GIF on there, which is counts as a video, it actually hinders your impressions. So LinkedIn prefers you not to use video. So hence we've got 1,511 impressions for 52 comments, 63 likes and 2 reposts, which seems pretty low considering. So here we go, another one. I have a post this time about YouTube. So this is a poll: votes count as engagement. Also you've got things like dwell time, likes, comments. So I've got 5,299 impressions. So it's dramatically gone up. One thing that penalizes this post is I'm out linking to a YouTube channel, so that's taking you away from the platform, and LinkedIn penalizes you for this as well. So I've done it here because I wanted to draw attention to the Measure Minds YouTube channel, but it's not it's not necessarily the best thing when you're creating a LinkedIn post to generate a large number of impressions. So going through again, another GIF. So relatively low number of impressions, comparable to the one with the voting. So here we go again, another poll. This one I've done on technical recruitment for digital analysts. I've left a pretty open, generic poll so people can answer. It allows a lot of people to engage with a yes or no. They don't have to think, they can just click and they can submit their vote. This has generated a much larger amount of impressions, so 11,595. So as you can see, polls, generally speaking, are the clear winner here because of the engagement. So if you want your post to go far, you want a large number of impressions, don't outlink outside of LinkedIn. Keep your links internally on the platform and allow your users to interact with your polls or your posts with an easy question. Another quick hack to increase your LinkedIn post visibility is it's crucial within the first 15 minutes to get as much engagement as you possibly can. And thereafter in that hour, once you've got a large engagement from that time, then LinkedIn will broadcast your post to a large amount of your network. So you really, it's crucial that you get as much engagement as you possibly can in the early stages of that post to allow your post to generate a good amount of likes, comments and visibility. The other thing is reposts and sharing posts. That doesn't create much visibility. It's much better to create an organic post yourself. Thanks for listening.